Now this is the fun part. First time. So I had a little phone call, or it was a WhatsApp message actually. There you go. So we start again. I had a little WhatsApp message from RB in front of us there, and he said, "Are you about? Are you busy? Can you do me a favour?" "You're welcome." And I said, "Of course I can. What do you need?" He said, "I've got to deliver a bike and I'm going to need a lift back." So, me being the ever so nice and helpful person I am, said, "Yeah, sure, no problem." So we are on. I didn't think it would be raining like this, but we're on our way off to drop off this Yamaha XT500, which is in absolute pristine condition, and look at it for an R plate, and it sounds phenomenal. So we're with RB, we're going to follow him up to drop this customer's bike off, and then RevBomb, who's not been a pillion for a very long time, is going to jump on the back of my old GTR, and I'm going to try not to scare him on the way back, so we'll see how we go. So let's get that intro rolling and see if anything interesting happens on the way. Actually hear RB talking then, so he's doing a bit of a vlog himself, so used to sports bike. Look at the knee twitching as he takes the corner. It being a bit damp, and that bike looks like it's got X-Trail tyres on it. That's not in gear. It looks like it's on the sprocket, but it sounded like the gear weren't engaging.
Yeah. I've got the gears back now. Well, like it jumped the sprocket.
So it's what it...
It's bloody tight.
It's on the sprocket, you can see it. He got ya.
Got me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It just lost drive.
Eh?
It lost drive.
You didn't get that far, did you?
No.
Took it over. See you later.
That's 21. That's... And we've arrived. One happy looking customer.
You down yet?
Yep, yep.
All good to go, mate. With your bars.
Set.
Yeah, good.
There we are, bike dropped off. Now we're taking RevBomb back to the garage and we'll see if we can scare him on the way. It was yellow. That one was yellow too. Well, we haven't lost RevBomb and I heard no screaming yet, so we must be doing alright. Bit of 2-up filtering, here we go. Oh, maybe not, because that car's in an awkward position. Hello. And there we are, one RevBomb delivered.